Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look down the piping here using what we call Fablok or cover fix. This staples onto the timber and the material wraps around it and you get a nice clean line finish. Let's get into it. Alright, that's all stapled on now. So now we have to bend all these little tabs over. That's done. Simply just going to push this in here. See the cover fix already grabbing it, or the Fablok, wherever you're from. But that's all pushed in there now, so we're just going to go along and trim off this excess that's hanging out. And then use our regulator needle. Keep pushing, rolling that on and like that, and eventually it starts to take shape quite nicely. And then it's just a matter of attaching whatever's left of the outside arm. That's kind of all there is to it. Now we just need to flip this over and put a false bottom on it, much like this one here. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. Just to hide the insides as a dust cover.